Yeah.
I didn't want to interrupt. That's fabulous.
You're grand.
Oh my god.
I'm just messing away.
That is so cool. It really is. What I do is I just go around the tree once, hold on to it, and I'm gone. I don't want to interrupt you. I'm so sorry I don't have my good camera though.
You're fine. You're fine.
Are you recording?
Oh yeah, you're grand. I just record in case I do anything good.
In case you didn't. Oh, it's amazing. Honestly, absolutely. Sorry for interrupting.
Oh, you're fine. You're okay.
No, it's really cool. I'll do what I do and then I'll bugger off.
No matter at all.
Okay.
I do the same thing.